Groundhogs, also commonly known as woodchucks, are rodents that belong to the squirrel family.
They are unique in their burrowing habits, creating intricate systems of tunnels that can extend for up to 45 feet. Groundhogs attract attention for their weather prediction abilities, with Groundhog Day celebrated every year on February 2nd. The notorious groundhog Punxsutawney Phil engages the crowd with his shadow, indicating the arrival of spring or the continuance of winter. Interestingly, groundhogs are also one of the few animals that truly hibernate. They can sleep through the entire winter, their heartbeat slowing from 80 beats per minute to 5. Groundhogs are also surprisingly swift swimmers and tree climbers. Not to mention, despite their vegetable-rich diet, they are known to occasionally switch things up with insects, snails and other small animals.